Yes, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your mathematics class. We are starting with the 3.5 exercise and the question number 4. You have to solve it by the any algebraic method. As you know that what are the algebraic method, that is the elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. You can choose any method and you have to solve this statement question, this situation. I'm just solving, making the linear equation, and you have to solve by your own choice. A part of a monthly hostel charges is fixed. Okay, a little bit part of charges that is fixed, and the remaining depend upon the number of days one has taken in the mess. Okay, rest of the amount that is depend upon the mess charges, per day mess charges. When a student A takes food for 20 days, it means a student who is taking for 20 days meal, and he has to pay the rupees 1000. And whereas the student B, he is getting the food for 26 days and he is paying 1180 rupees as a hostel charges. Find the what is the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. Okay, firstly let the fixed charges are rupees X, that everyone has to pay it, and the charges per day, charges for one day, that is rupees 1. Okay, as if a student A that leaves for 20 days, he has to pay the fixed charges, and for one day he is paying Y rupees. So then for 20 days he or she is paying for 20 Y rupees, and the total amount he is paying for hostel charges, that is 1000. And in the same way for the 26 day, X plus 26Y is equal to 1180, and solve it by your own method, by your choice. Come to the second part. Then a fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator, and it's become 1 by 4 when 8 is added in the denominator. And what is the fraction? As you can see that we have to let the numerator is X and denominator is Y, and the fraction will become X by Y. What is the question saying? When 1 is subtracted from numerator is X, 1 is subtracted from numerator, and nothing is mentioned about the denominator, it means there is Y as it is, and its fraction will become 1 by 3. And the second statement, the fraction become 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Now there is only mentioning about the denominator, nothing is mentioned related to their numerator, so you have to take as it is. So they are the two portions according to question, and you have to make the linear equation by cross multiplication. You have 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So first equation 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, and the second equation will be 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, these are the pair of linear equation. You have to solve it by your own method. Now come to the question number 3. The Yash scores 40 marks in a test. He gets 3 marks for one right answer and the 1 4 marks for the wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for the each correct answer and the 2 for deduct for incorrect answer, and Yash would have scored 50 marks, and how many questions were in the test? Suppose let the number of right question. आपने एग्जाम दिया तो सबसे पहले कि आपके कितने राइट क्वेश्चन है, कितने रॉन्ग है, you have to mark it. The number of right questions, that is X, and the number of wrong question, it means you have to reply their wrong answer, so that are the Y. And the total questions are for one each question. For one right question you getting 3 marks. अगर आपका एक right question है, you are getting 3 marks, and there is a X right question, then how much you have? 3x marks. But one is losing, it means deducting. For one wrong answer there is 1 minus, or okay, for Y को wrong answer there is 1 Y. ओके, बट इट इज डिडक्टिंग ना, माइनस हो रहे हैं आपके, बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. प्लस अगर बढ़ते तो प्लस होते, रॉन्ग के लिए तो माइनस ही होंगे. सो योर टोटल स्कोर इज 40. इन द सेम वे इफ यू हैव 4 marks for the correct answer, then 4x, and deducting the 2 marks, that is 2y, then you have the 40 score, and then you have to solve this pair of linear equation and get your answer. Okay, come to the fourth part. Come to the fourth one. Fourth part, where the A and B are the places, that is, this is the A place and this is the B place. They are the 100 kilometer apart from each other. They are 100 kilometer distance is that. One car starts from A. Okay, a car starts from A and another from B, and others start from B. If they car travel in the same direction, it means they are going from the same direction in the east or in the west. You have to take only one direction, and they meet after the 5 hours. Okay, so what are the speed of the cars? Firstly, you have to let the speed of car A, that is x kilometer per hour, and the speed of car B, that is y kilometer per hour. Okay, okay, and they have to both meet after the 5 hours. This means time taken by the both car are the same. Time taken by car A and car B both are the same, that is 5 hours. If they are meeting after the 5 hours, suppose he is going with the speed and he reaches here. Okay, that is car A, and B is also moving with the same speed, that is this. Okay, and both the time is taking 5 hours. So the speed is different, but the distance and this. Now how you will find, how will you relate it, that the total distance covered by A and the total distance covered by B. जब मैं A के distance में से B का distance deduct कर दूँगी, that you will have the 100. Okay, so you have to find the distance covered by car A. As you know, the relationship between the distance, the speed is equal to distance by time. So how you will get the distance? That speed into time. This is the speed of car A and this is the time, that is 5x kilometer distance covered by the car A, and the same distance covered by B is, same way you can get the distance covered by B, that is 5y. And as you can see, I have already told you, this is the distance covered by car A is 5x and this is 5y. So how you will get 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Okay. Now they are saying when they are coming to each other. Now both the cars, car A and car B, when they are coming to each other. Suppose again there is A and B distance, but now both the cars are coming on each other. Now total distance of this and distance, add them and is equal to 100. Okay, now the time is 1 hour. They are meeting after the 1 hour. Time is 1 hour. Time is 1 hour. Okay, but again the distance covered by the car A, covered by car A, that is time is 1 and the speed is x, 1x, and the distance covered by car B, that is 1 into y, and you can see that the total distance will be equal to 100. So 1x plus 1y is equal to 100, and solve this pair or linear equation and get your answer. Come to the last part of this exercise, that is, if the area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square units, this is the area. Okay, if this is a rectangle, so area is reduced by 9. If the length is reduced, firstly I have to consider their length. Let the length of the rectangle is x unit is there, and the breadth is y unit. Okay, what is this question is saying, that when the length is increased by 5. Okay, how you get the area? That is the length multiply breadth. If the length is reduced by 9, when the length is reduced by 5, that is x minus 5, and the breadth is increased by 3. So area, total area is this, that is reduced by 9. Okay, so solve it. Xy minus 5y plus 3x minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Xy cancel with xy, you have 3x minus 5y minus 15 minus 9. It means minus 6 will be there equal to 0. So this is your first equation. Now come to the second statement. When the if the length is increased by 3 and breadth is 2, when the length, that is x, increased by 3 and breadth by 2, so your total area will be increased by 67. So solve it. 3y plus 2x plus 6 is equal to xy plus 64. That will be cancelled. So your equation is 2x plus 3y minus 67 plus a plus minus 61 equal to 0. So solve this pair of linear equation and get your answer. Thank you. Complete this exercise. Okay, try this exercise by the any method and solve it. Thank you so much.